All right, welcome to Circles. And the first thing that I'd like to do is kind of talk about some common vocabulary because it'll really help out throughout the unit. So the first word is radius, and as you can see, the radius is the distance from the center of a circle to the outer edge. So basically from the center to the outer edge, and that'll be the radius line. All right, this is also a radius line if I were to come from the center in a different color. Because I don't want you to think it's so from the center to the outside, that's a radius as well. All right, so as long as you're from the center to the outside of the circle, it is a radius or radii. The diameter is all the way across the center. All right, so the diameter is going to be this line that goes all the way across. Okay, the center is what you assume the center of the circle, the midpoint. All right, and then a chord is any line that goes from two parts of the outside of the circle, but do not cross through the center. All right, so this would be a chord, this would be a chord, that would be a chord, etc. All right, so the first thing I want to kind of show you is relationships between radii or radiuses and diameters. Okay, so a radius is halfway across from midpoint to outer. All right, so we know that this is 6 feet. Okay, another radius from the center to the other side would be 6 feet. Okay, so 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we could do that, or we could double it by doing 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, knowing that a radius is half of the distance of a diameter is very important. And conversely, a diameter is 2 times the length of the radius. Okay, so here we have a line that goes all the way across. That's the diameter, so we know that's 20 cm. Okay, and now to figure out, divide by 2 to figure out what just one of these sides is. 10 cm. Another way that some people like to do it is 1/2 times 20. It's reciprocal, so still will give you the same answer. All right, so this one we know from center to outside, our radius is what is given. Okay, in order to find out what the other side is, we can add or multiply. So this would be 10 meters. One more for practice. All right, so here we're given the diameter. That's 14 feet. All right, in order to find out what just one side of this is, or radius, we'd have to do 14 divided by 2 equals 7 feet. All right, and again, some teachers, some people would prefer multiplying by 1/2, which is fine. Best of luck.